Kindly double tap the screen to like the live. Before we are watching, we are doing some laundry here. I'm into rinsing the second batch of my washing. The first batch is set. Thank you, 13 likes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wow. Much appreciated. Okay guys, if we are chatting, just know from my end I can't see any chat. I don't know what just happened. My sister called me on WhatsApp video call, so I had to end her call, but coming back all the chats are gone. If you are chatting me and you see me not responding, kindly just know that I can't see the chats on my end. No chats on my end. I don't know why. Double tap the screen to like the live. Just chat, don't worry. Just comment. Even if I can't see it, at least by commenting you are pushing it. YouTube is recommending it further. Thank you so much. Thank you for my top fans. Shout out to you. My top fans, let me read them. I have Julia Kenya Davis Vlogs, Alexandria. Oh wow. Have Alexandria. Thank you for joining. Darling, if have not responded to you, just know from my end I can't see any chats. Mom of 2CF Warriors, my first person to join my membership. Shout out to her. Then we have Be Without Borders, Mangolin Falls. Then we have Luciana Ochieng. Thank you so much. Those are my top fans. I appreciate so much. Feel loved, guys. Alexandria, hello. Sorry, guys. I'm stressed because I can't see your text, guys. I can't see you comment. Can't see you. Mommy, here. Just understand me. From my end, no text on my screen. No any comments. From my end, no comments are coming. Nothing. My screen is just clear. It's only showing me the timer, the viewers, and the likes. Comments are not there. Comments are not there. So bear with me if I don't respond to you, because I can't see when you guys are commenting. I don't know what happened, how it got swapped. Maybe because of the video call. Yeah, because it happened after the video call. Got me. I'm so tired, guys. Let's rinse them again. Thank you. Kindly double tap the screen to like the live. Support us by double tap to like the live. You can subscribe to my channel. If I don't respond to your chat, bear with me please.